Today we are going to cover an important topic in construction estimation, that is earthwork. By the end of this video, you will know how to exactly calculate excavation quantities in Excel for your building project quickly and accurately. So let's start it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Civil Builders. I am engineer Arsalan. To begin estimation, first we need to review the drawings and then extract the required dimensions. For excavation layout, jump to the excavation layout plan and extract length, width and depth to calculate the volume. After reviewing the drawings, we got a clear idea of dimensions. For instance, the length is 60 feet and the width of the plot is 40 feet and the depth is 11 feet. So to get the volume, we have to multiply all these dimensions. On our right side, we have the floor plan. And from this floor plan, we get the value of length and the width. Similarly, on the left side, we have the section view and the 3D view. And from this section view, we got the value of depth. As we need to excavate the surface from the road level, so its depth from the road to the excavation level is 11 feet. Next, we move to the Excel sheet and calculate the total volume by input these values. Add the values in the corresponding cell by simply typing. For length, use 60, and for the width, 40, and similarly for depth, 11 feet. All these values are extracted from the drawings that we have previously discussed. To calculate the excavated volume, use this formula. To assign this formula in this cell, type equal to and then select the cells and press enter. Now we got the volume for the footing having the dimension of 60, 40 and 11 feet respectively. Well, in our drawing we have one raft, so we add 1 in the number column. To calculate the total quantity, type equal to and then select the required cells and press enter. This formula is beneficial for us if we have more rafts of the same dimensions. For instance, if we have 4 number rafts, then it automatically calculates the quantity of all these 4 rafts. Similarly, we follow the same practice to get the excavated volume for the lift, underground water tank and the sump pit. For lift, the dimension is 11 feet and 9.25 feet. And for underground water tank, the dimension is 13 feet. And for the sump pit, the dimension is 6 feet. To extend the formula, simply select the cell and drag from the end when the cursor shape changes. As we got 0 value because the depth is 0, if we add 1, then we automatically gain the value of total quantity in the respective cells. Now it's your task to guess the exact values of these depth from the drawings. You can download the drawings from the description below. We can also use the product formula to calculate the quantity. Delete this formula and type equal to and write product. Add the bracket and now select the range and close the bracket and type enter. To calculate the total quantity of all these excavated volume, use the sum formula. For this purpose, type equal to and use the sum formula and then select the range and type enter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.